Innotech, a leading tech company, faced a critical challenge. Its two brilliant software engineers, Sophia and Liam, were constantly at odds. Sophia, a fount of creative ideas, clashed with Liam, a meticulous coding expert. Their persistent arguments stalled vital projects, frustrating their founder, Mr. Davies. Sophia found Liam's code uninspired, while Liam deemed Sophia's concepts impractical and unstable. A massive smart city management system project, with a tight 3-month deadline, pushed Mr. Davies to his wits' end. He tasked Sophia and Liam as leads, knowing their discord jeopardized success. Weeks were lost to their bickering. In a pivotal meeting, Mr. Davies showed them a video of an old car winning a tough race, not through individual speed, but by its parts, working in harmony. He emphasized, "Sophia, you bring innovation. Liam, you bring stability. Individually, you're excellent, but for this project, I need Innotech your combined strengths. Put your egos aside, and you'll create something exemplary." His words resonated. Sophia and Liam finally grasped the importance of collaboration. They set aside their differences, uniting their unique talents. Sophia's creative vision seamlessly integrated with Liam's robust coding. They provided mutual support, transforming abstract ideas into concrete solutions and technical challenges into innovative features. As the deadline loomed, they not only met it but also developed a groundbreaking smart city system, a testament to their combined genius. The system, a perfect blend of Sophia's innovation and Liam's technical prowess, was met with widespread acclaim, elevating Innotech's reputation. Mr. Davies, witnessing their success, lauded their efforts. "You've proven that when individual talents converge in unity, no challenge is insurmountable," he declared. "You've taught the world that there's blessing in unity."